Welcome back to Android Tutorials. We are making a food application in Android Studio. Continuing this series of food application, this is the third part of food app where I am going to show you how to make a get started screen of our food application in Android Studio. Let's begin with making the get started screen. I had made this background in Figma using the resources from internet. Now I am going to implement the background in our constraint layout background. So I had copied that background from Figma to Android Studio and implemented it in this constraint layout. And then I have one image name is small icon. So this basically a blurred small icon. So we are going to use this as our first small icon, and here you can also see the preview of that and implemented a background over there. So let's start. First I have one image view with id small logo. Its width and height is 100 dp and margin start and margin top is 32 dp. And then I had made a background, that is circle background, and then made its description, content description, to be app name, and then given a source of our small icon. And if you don't know how to make this circle background, then in our splash screen video of food application I had shown you. Next we have to make sure it is aligned with parent. So this will done this all icon work. Now here you can see that I have one amazing food for everyone text, but I was not able to create this type of font by typing a code. So I had made it in Figma and downloaded its png file and cast it here. Here I had used image view and id is food for everyone and given its width and height of wrap content, given its margin of 16 dp and made its description to be app name. And next we have source, that is food for everyone tags itself. So here you can see that food for everyone tags. Next add use is its constraints, and then we will move to adding this get started button over down. But for that first we have to create a rectangular background. For that we have to right click on drawable file. So when you right click on drawable file, you will find one dialog in which we have to select a new and then drawable resource file. In this drawable resource file you have to write whatever you want to give your name of your file. So here I am giving rect background and then click on ok. So this will generate a rect file for our project. So it may take some time. Now change this sector to shape. So it is currently loading and try to automatic get that, because this will generate a less error. And then over here we have to give shape, that is rectangle, and after that we have to write a solid, and that solid color will be Android color white. And close this. Now I am going to write a radius, and that corner radius will be 20 dp. This will make them circular. Now cut that, and you can see here we have that background, and this width will be 314 dp and its height will be 72 dp. By this way this will look like original button, and given its margin start, end and bottom of 32 dp, and we have its background, that is drawable rectangle background, and given its font family, that is Nutio semi bold, and make them gravity center. So this get started text will be in the center, and then text itself, and we have text color, text size, that is 17 sp, and constrain them. By this way we will make amazing get started screen for our food application. So if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.